My initial thoughts when the Inspire 3 was coming was, yes, it's here, it's coming. My name is Liam Allen. I am a partner and pilot at Choppershoot. You know, normally when you think about a new iteration on technology coming out, you think, oh, I hope they fix this, I hope they fix that, I hope this is improved. When we started to see the list of things that were being improved upon, we realized, wow, that's like just the wish list. Now we were going to be able to shoot like high frame rate scenes with high-speed car chases. Especially in the desert, this was going to be like a huge thing for us, because you know, when a car or like a razor blasts through the desert, you get this huge kick up of sand, and like just to see that running in slow motion was just like fantastic. The overall image quality makes it such an incredible piece of kit to use on set that it just blows every other option out of the water. When we go to the desert, it's not that we just drive to the edge of the desert and then we can fly inside. We have to take our whole kit into the desert. Now we are able to just take it right out of the back of the car, set up the drone, and immediately like just start flying like super low to the ground, which is also something you couldn't do when you were flying a heavy lift, because you would kick up so much sand. So now we were able to fly faster, lower, you know, pick up more speed when we're doing these high-speed shots. So that descent speed is gonna definitely be a value when a director says, okay, so we have this eagle and it's gonna just go straight down, and I'm gonna be able to say, yeah, no problem, we can do that. The moment of truth really for the stability of the drone came when we were flying in the Museum of the Future location, and we were just able to like hover the drone in place. It wouldn't drift even an inch, like it wasn't going anywhere. I just felt like I have the freedom to be a little bit more creative in these confined spaces now. So the concept of shooting in Museum of the Future was that inside the museum, they've got these beautiful elevators that just glide straight up into the upper floors of the building. And it was just an amazing opportunity to test out the tilt boost mode in the Inspire 3, because now we were just gonna get that gorgeous shot where the drone glides forwards towards the elevators and then tilts up to see them going into the building. And it just looks so beautiful. The thing that excites me the most about the Inspire 3 is the 3D dolly move, because now we're able to actually pre-program in moves. When we turn up on set, we can have a conversation with the DOP. He has a very complicated move, and we're just able to program in exactly the move is that he wants. And it doesn't require us repeating the move over and over again. Now I just have to input speed into the one stick, and the gimbal operator has to do the rest. I feel that the Inspire 3 is going to be our #1 unit that we're going to use in upcoming shoots. It can do almost any kind of shot that we need, and I think when we get into more technical requirements, it's going to be definitely what we're going to offer to our clients as a solution for shots that they probably didn't even know that they could do before.